Behr presents How to Stain an End Table with Behr Water-Based Stain and Poly-in-One. Got an old end table that needs a new beginning? We can help. Behr Stain and Poly-in-One makes it easier than ever to do it yourself. Here's what you'll need for the job. To prep the surface, gently sand the wood and give it a wipe to remove all dust. Okay, it's time to stain. Apply a thin coat following the direction of the wood grain, making sure to keep a wet edge. To limit brush marks and bubbles, hold your brush at a 45-degree angle. Voila! First coat complete. Let the stain dry for about an hour. Depending on climate, dry times may vary. Lightly sand the surface once more and wipe away the dust. Now it's time for a second coat. After applying the final coat, let it dry for a couple more hours. And be sure to take a minute to admire your sensational stain skills. Whatever that end table cost, it looks like $1,000,000. To tackle more DIY projects, check out our other Behr how-to videos.